Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Vivian Dolor, 34 years old, married. I have one daughter, 16 years old, high school graduate. And I have experience in Malaysia for 7 years as a domestic helper, finished contract, and my second employer break contract for nine months because my father passed away.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper are cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking food, feeding them, and I will make sure they are healthy and clean, and by serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam Sir, I know how to cook Chinese food and Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn more.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a fast learner, honest, and God-fearing.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years and more contract. Thank you and God bless.